Hello guys, Tez here. Currently at Central where I found this D set on platform 2. I'm not sure how long till this leaves, but I'm gonna watch it leave. I just got off this V set here, V42 and V42 and V29. I'm not sure what D set this is, I think it's D131 and D31. But yeah. I didn't know this was coming, but I just saw it and I decided to record it. I was about to hop onto a Waratah to Waverton, but yeah. So this here, it's cool. But anyways, enjoy this little video of this leaving and just showing you this train. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. I'll give you guys a little tour of this train. Got the doors obviously. If I can look inside.
The next train to arrive on platform 3 terminates here. Please do
Lots
not
of covering
join this
on
train.
it. Oh. No, that's second. Not sure when this is leaving, but I'll check in a sec. Yeah. Got nothing around here. Yeah, got toilet carriage. We've got these cameras, which probably might not be used because that's what the argument about this train at the moment, but it's safety because it's the planet of getting rid of the guard. But yeah, the seats in the middle area, the seat door area, they look quite comfortable. The only, it is a good train, it's probably going to be probably more comfortable than XPTs in my opinion maybe, and Explorers. Information boards, yeah, what you got? Yeah, this one's got all these windows like this, so I can't get good video inside, but you can kind of visualize it. But yeah. Anyways, I'm not sure how long this leaves, but it's best to stay at the end of the platform, so I'm ready to record it leave. I mean, sure, it doesn't really matter. I might actually go to platform 1 and record it leave instead. But yeah, very nice train. You got toilet carriage. Usually they would have this this window screen would be there, but no, they don't have that. You can see, yeah, it's a very nice train. I don't really have much to talk about it right now. But it's I don't know. But yeah, I head over to the end of the platform once it's ready to leave. I know it's not leaving exactly yet because it's a red signal at the end of the platform, but I'm going to go get my thumbnail for this video now, real quick. But yeah. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I hope you enjoyed this clip of V131 and 31 leaving. And yeah, it's currently going to the Blue Mountains for testing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more content like this. And goodbye for now.